Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to get acquainted with an incredible and profitable strategy and the 5-minute time frame that has shown exciting results and can help grow your balance. In this video, I will discuss the specific settings required for this strategy to work effectively, and I will guide you step by step so you can implement it on your own chart. So make sure to stay with me until the end of the video, and if you enjoyed this type of content, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my new videos. Well, without wasting any time, let's head over to TradingView website and select your symbol. Remember, this symbol can be from Forex, crypto, or the stock market. You can choose any symbol you like from these markets. After that, set your time frame to 5 minutes. Now you need to go to the indicators section and type Parabolic SAR MACD Adaptive MACD. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now we need to go into its settings and make some adjustments so that this indicator becomes suitable for our use. Well, the settings for this indicator are complete, and now I will give you a brief explanation about it. This indicator is an amazing tool that helps us identify market trends and is very helpful in this regard. It has managed to combine 3 indicators, MACD, SAR, and Parabolic, into one for us. This indicator not only explains the trend but can also generate entry signals for us. You might ask how. When you see a green dot on this indicator, it's a sign that we can consider this point as a buy signal. However, before that, we need to look at the histogram and ensure that we are in an uptrend and that our histogram is also green. If this is the case, we can consider the green point as a buy signal. Conversely, there are points on this indicator where you can see red dots. If the histogram is also red at these points, we understand that this point is a sell signal and we can use it to enter a sell trade. Remember that in areas where our histogram is green and above the middle line, we consider the trend to be upward, while in areas where our histogram is red and below the middle line, we consider the trend to be downward. Now we need to increase the win rate and accuracy of this strategy by adding a second indicator. For this, just go to the Indicators tab and type in the search box MA ribbon R2. When you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now let's go into its settings and apply changes. As you can see, we can use this indicator both for identifying trend and finding entry points for trades. You might ask how? In such a way that when this indicator is green and the candles are above it, our trend is upward. Conversely, when this indicator line is red and the candles are below it, we consider the trend to be downward. However, the points where this indicator changes color are also important for us. We can consider these points as entry signals for trades. For example, points where this indicator changes from green to red can be considered as sell signals, while points where it changes from red to green can be considered as buy signals. We can enter buy trades based on these signals and potentially gain good profits. But now it's time to combine these 2 indicators and build our strategy for today. However, before that, I want you to definitely subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated with new videos. Let's start with a buy order. First of all, look for a green histogram on the chart. After that, find a green dot in this area. Now we need to make sure that at this point, the close candle is above the ribbon line and that is also green. When all these conditions are met, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point for the trade. Now we can set our stop loss slightly below the last swing low or just below the green ribbon line. Now we enter the buy trade, and for the take profit, we can consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for our trade to close with a profit. For a sell order, we first need to look for a red histogram on the chart. After that, we need to find a red dot in this area. Now we need to ensure that the price candles at this point are below the red ribbon line. If all these conditions are met, we know that we have found a suitable entry point for the trade. Now we should set our stop loss slightly above the last swing high or above the red ribbon line. Now we can enter the sell trade, and for the take profit, it's enough to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. Well friends, we have reached the end of this video. We saw how by combining two powerful indicators, we could find reliable buy and sell signals and execute our strategy in the best way possible. Now it's time for you to get started and try this strategy yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like it and leave your comments for us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated with the next videos. Until the next video, wishing you success and profitability.